Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to prevent anyone from calling you on Telegram PC. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, locate the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see the option for calls, click on it. Now you'll see a list of call settings. To prevent anyone from calling you, tap on the circle next to Nobody. It will turn blue, indicating that this option is selected. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. By enabling this setting, you ensure that no one can initiate calls with you on Telegram PC, giving you complete control over your privacy and uninterrupted workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.